Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, premium sound system, security system, low tire pressure warning. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.